Let's start with the first type of boundary, firewalls. Historically, castles in old ages were built with a wide body of water all around them that separated them from the land. The purpose of that, obviously, was to allow them to protect themselves and be able to see if someone was trying to attack them. It basically created them as a bit of an island and separated them from the potential risks that may come across. The modern version of a moat is what we call a firewall, and the point of it is to create a protective wall around a valuable asset. That's what a firewall does. In today's modern age, you probably know of a firewall as something that may be on your computer. The purpose of a firewall is to protect you and your computer, and maybe your network from the outside world, from the internet, from the people that are going to hack you or attack you or whatever. That's what a firewall does, is to protect your valuable assets, your computer system from the internet and potential problems. In much the same way, you have to create a firewall around yourself to protect your greatest asset, which is your time. The challenge is, your time is the only precious asset that you have that is non-renewable. Money you can always make money off. A business you can always rebuild. You can continue and rebuild different relationships. Once time passes, once it leaves you, there is no way to recreate it or to bring it back. That's why we have to maximize the value and enjoyment and the output of every minute that we possibly can. Firewalls are the first kind of boundaries that I'm going to be showing you how to create, so that you have firewalls put up. This is to stop you from being attacked or distracted by things that take away from your time. In the next lesson, we are going to talk about the second type of boundary that will bring you success, the rails. See you there.